Professor Bejon Kumar Misra. I am the international consumer policy expert. It was a great experience, great event. I feel AMTZ is doing enormous work in promoting indigenous medical devices in our country. As you know, we are highly dependent on imports. We bring in almost 80% of medical devices from overseas and 20% we are able to manufacture in India. The patients are always looking for affordable care, affordable health care, and also accessible to all. I am working very closely with Government of India on improving accessibility to quality health care under the universal health coverage. And I feel very proud to be associated with AMTZ as their chairperson on MedTech Quality and Communication initiative. I also feel very happy that I get invited to meet so many people in these World Health Innovation Forum, all startups who are working towards innovation. So in short, I would say by concluding, it's a great event. I wish you all the best. Congratulations. Keep up the great work.